Good morning. Alan Nuckman from Option Shop with your morning market stir for Wednesday, February 27th. Well, don't call it a comeback just yet. We had a little bit of a bounce yesterday in the equities markets. We made new relative lows at 1482 in the E-mini S&P and closed at 1493, up 6, but did give back some of those gains later in the day. The recent high was 1525 from Monday before that sharp turnaround. The Dow futures were up 60 yesterday at 13,860, and the Nasdaq added 8 points at 2708. The dollar index was steady right now at 81.86 yesterday, and the euro currency was at 130.47. So those are holding their own, and we're at some key levels here, staying just below 82 in the dollar index and above 130 in the euro. The bond market continued to push higher, pushing the yields lower. 145.5 in the 30-year bond, up 1/4 point, and crude oil was down 50 cents yesterday at about 92.60. The gold market was the big mover of the day, up $25 at 16.15. The action in gold this month has seen a recent high of 16.80 and an extreme low of 15.55. So 16.20 is the halfway pivot point that we'll need to push above to resume some positive action in gold here. Looking at the markets here this morning, after the big move in gold yesterday and in the uptick in stocks, where do things stand on this Wednesday morning to start the new day? Well, right now things are steady. We've got the E-mini S&P up 1 point at 1494, and we've got the Dow futures up 15 at 13,874. The Nasdaq, the tech shares are up 2 at 2710, and the dollar index is drifting lower, supporting the euro currency at 131.03, and we're up about 40 points as we stand right now. Bonds continue to move higher. The yield on the 30-year note is at 3.05%, and the price right now is right around the 146 level, up about 12 ticks. Crude oil is a little bit positive right now, up 26 cents at 92.89. Again, the 92 level is the support point, the halfway support of the recent 98 highs to those lows at 87 from a couple months ago. So we'll want to keep an eye on 92. Looking at gold, gold is giving up some of its gains yet from yesterday. It's down $9 at 16.06. Again, the 16.20 level up above is the halfway of the last month that we'll want to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the action here on this Wednesday morning, right now we're steady and stable after the turnaround in stocks yesterday with new relative lows and then closing higher. We're seeing if we can build some support here and regain some of this bullish momentum. So right now the E-mini S&P is up 1, the Dow futures are up 15. I will see you early Thursday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. And for Option Shop here at the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.